Hey guys, it's Vess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing I'm kind of confused about. It might be a Kickstarter thing that I got. It says fulfillment center, so I'm not too sure where it came from. I know I ordered some other books from other places to support some of the posters, because I know some of the posters are comic creators and they have their books out, so I'm not too sure which one this one is, so we shall see. They wrapped it up pretty much really tight. Like it looks like they took a tape thing and went like this to it, because it's like shiny on this side and definitely shiny on this side, so it's like weird on how that works. But yeah, let's go ahead and go at it and just see what's in here. I am not too sure what it is, but we're finding out today. All right, so boom, I'm just cutting it and trying to get it open, which is kind of difficult with the tape. Like, I don't know why somebody will tape when this box is good as is, but I'm not too sure. Let's see guys, let's see. So boom, you open it up and this is it. And it seems like it's a pamphlet almost. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is okay. So guys, I don't know if you guys stood tuned for the one that I did. It was back in Valentine's time. I ordered My Love Story, so to support Maida more, I went ahead and I got more of her books. I got this one, which is It's Cold. This is like her second book. I read it on to pass. It's a really good story and very, it has its own blend to it, and I suggest you guys go there and check it out, like read it, so that you can understand what I'm talking about, because I don't want to ruin it. If I say what I'm gonna say, I know I will ruin it. But the artwork is very beautiful and the whole book is in color, so that's another cool thing. I like that as a saddle stitch. So that's what a saddle stitch is when it's two staples and it staples up to make a book. So that's pretty cool, because it makes it feel like a nursery book, like for a child or something like that, which is really cool. Definitely recommend getting this, because it's a really good book. I know it's 20 pages long, but again guys, the artwork is done very well. It looks really good. It's crisp, and again, if you want to go ahead and you want to get this book, I suggest you go to her thing on Lulu. I will be putting down her information down below, even for the other one, which is My Love Story. I know that one was on sale. Now it's not, but if you sign up, I know that they give you a sale, and I know that I'm not too sure how it works, but I know periodically they'll give me a sale, which is really cool, and that's pretty much how I got this one, because they gave me free shipping. So it's pretty much worth it. This cost me $8, and so did My Love Story, which it's a decent price, so definitely go down there and check it out. It's really good. And if you want to check out Maida and what she does, she also has her YouTube, and she does streaming and she talks, and I think she finally got her new computer. So yeah guys, definitely go there and give her some love, show her some love and stuff like that. And don't forget to read her stories. Her stories are on To Pass. I'm going to be posting that down below, and go over there and show her some love. So yeah guys, again, we are still doing Kickstarter, so that's for book 6. Be sure to check out the link down below, heart it, do what you need to do so that you keep updated up on it. We will be having a launch party April 8th. So definitely keep that in mind. And for people who pledge, they get something while I'm live streaming. So yeah, definitely be there for that launch party, especially if you're considering on purchasing, well, not purchasing, but well, yeah, it is purchasing the books, So definitely keep that in mind and keep that as a reminder. And don't forget to share with family and friends. Again, my books is up onto Pass and Webtoons, so you can go ahead and show them issues 1 and 2 and get them familiar with it before they decide to pledge or anything like that. So yeah, guys, if you like this little mini unboxing, I couldn't give you too much of a view because I feel like I will spoil it. So yeah, I don't want to put my thoughts on that, but again, guys, the story is really good. Like, it gives you that, it leads up and it boom and it happens and it gives you that feels. So definitely something that you should check out. So yeah, guys, if you like that mini unboxing, go ahead and hit that like, give me the thumbs up. And if you're new here and you like Bess, I like the way you do your indie comics and stuff like that, indie comic reviews and stuff like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe, become a post. I continuously do things like this. I do art things and so forth and so far. So become one of our family members, enjoy us, and remember, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to be there and enjoy us. We have fun, the more the merrier. So yes, guys, again, thank you for liking, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.